Hey everybody, hi and welcome, and thanks so much for joining me and the entire Happy crew for another video. I'm kicking off a what I wore video because I'm back. It is Sunday morning, vacation's over, but I did enjoy taking a little bit of a break. We did have a really nice, a few days of really nice family time. I did take several days where I did no filming. I think I took 5 days. 5 days I did no filming. So it was a nice little break, and we're back. Okay, Xana's here. You want to say hi? You want to say hi to everybody? I woke her up. We're getting ready to film Wyatt's birthday bark box. It's over here. So she's excited. So for today's outfit, kicking off the week, I am incredibly casual because I have lots to do today. Getting ready to get back into the groove of things. I want a pair of loft comfy shorts. So many of you guys liked this pair when I showed them in the loft haul that I had them in. They're a blue and gray. I have on a tank top from Ann Taylor. This one's an oldie but a goodie, so just a plain tank top. And of course my Halogen, as you guys have seen so many times, just a great flip-flop to wear around. I love them. My earrings are hoops my husband bought me, and that's it for today. So I'm ready to get into it for the week and get some stuff done. What do you think, Xana? You ready? All right. We'll be back tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It's Monday. It came so fast back to work. I had been on Zoom calls, which actually we use Teams instead, so video calls all morning. It's like almost 12:30. It's been 4 hours of nothing but video calls. Oh, vacation feels like a dream now. Look at Wyatt sitting in the sun there, happy as can be. So for today's outfit, I have on a pair of Vigoss shorts. I love these camo shorts in this light wash. I got in a Wantable. They were in my day tripper edit. It's going to get noisy now. My neighbors are going to come out while I start to do this. And yeah, like literally, they're all like right behind me now. I have on a Sanctuary tank top that I got at the Ever Eve store, and my Haviana flip-flops, which have been my go-to this summer. And my jewelry is lucky. I have this little silver and gold necklace and earrings. My ring I got a long time ago, I think like at the Limited or Express maybe. I've had it for a long time. And that's my outfit today. All right. I hope everyone is doing well, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is time for outfit of the day. Yes, it's Tuesday, it's warm outside, the sun is shining. The only thing that does make it perfect is it's a work day. Right, why you don't work? Okay, moving along. So for today, I have on, you want to tell them? No? Okay. I want a Judy P top. Absolutely love this color. Is this not the best color? I got it from a Fashom and a Fashion box. And I have on White House Black Market shorts. So I think I shared with you guys in, I think it was my summer bottoms haul. So fun. I have on Dolce Vita. What is that? It's so quiet when I walk outside, and the moment that I'm out here, noise. Anyway, my shoes are Dolce Vita. Aren't those cute? Just got them from Nordstrom. And my earrings are Touchstone by Swarovski. My necklace is White House Black Market, and I have 2 bracelets on today, and they are both Touchstone by Swarovski. That's everything. What do you think, YY? He stayed awake through that whole thing. He did good. All right, so Wyatt's going to go off on bug patrol, and I got to go back to work. Yeah, we almost made it to hump day. Hope everyone is doing well, and we'll be back tomorrow. Hey, everybody. Wyatt and I here for Wednesday's outfit of the day. It is a beautiful, sunshiny day right now. It is going to be Only high 78, 71, but in the sun it feels really warm. Love it. It's been a crazy busy morning, work, and I am trying to fit in as many summer clothes as I can possibly get now that it is the end of August going into, it's going to be like September before I know it. I don't know how this is happening. Anyway, I have on a Tart dress today that I got in a Wantable that is so easy and fun. And I'm in like this flip-flop mode that I can't seem to get out of because they're just so comfy and I'm not really going anywhere to be wearing fancy shoes. So I have on my Oka-Bs that I got in my Oceanista. These are so comfortable, so fun. I love the color of these. Goes well with my dress. Yeah, and my jewelry is this cute beach-inspired necklace from Touchstone by Swarovski. My earrings are Brighton. My ring is Rocksbox. And I think that's it for today. What do you think, Wyatt? He's too funny. Hope everyone is doing well, and we'll be back tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Thursday. It has been like the craziest week. I don't even know. It needs to be the weekend already. Oh, Wyatt's tummy is bothering him, so that's been a thing. My son decided to change his schedule at school his senior year. That has been a thing. Work has been insane. That has been a thing. For some reason my head's been bothering me. That's been a thing. I'm telling you. Anyway, it's all good. it's all gonna pass. It'll all be good, right? All right, so I'm bringing the outfit of the day. Not a bunch of crud, right? It's all good. Anyway, what do I have on today? I have on a dress from Fashom. It's so cute. It's a white birch, easy wear dress. That's what I needed today. Something super easy to put on. I have a bunch of video meetings today. One's an interview, so I wanted to make sure I looked like nice from the, probably like, I don't know, almost waist up, I guess. So yeah, this dress is by White Birch, and I have on, I love it because it's got the little wrap and the pretty colors, a little tie at the waist, so such a pretty dress. And I put it on with my Halogen yellow slides that I just absolutely love. Got these last year. They're a little asymmetrical, so cute. And my necklace is Lia Sophia, so it's an oldie but a goodie. I have Touchstone by Swarovski earrings on, and I think that's it for today. So hope everyone is having an awesome day, and tomorrow's Friday. Can't wait. See you then. Hey guys, it is Friday. Finally Friday. What do you think? Why and I are here to bring outfit of the day. I'm excited. So ready for the weekend. So for today, I have on a pair of Agolde Parker shorts from Trendsend. I actually have a whole Trendsend outfit on today. What do you think? Why wants his belly rubbed? Yeah, I love these Parker shorts. And I have on a cami from also Trendsend, and it is Allison Joy. I actually have the matching skirt to go with this too, which I think will look nice going into fall. And my shoes are Tom's from a Stitch Fix from when I first started getting Stitch Fix. They're probably 3 summers old now. And I have on Rocksbox necklace and earrings, the Druzy. And I think that's pretty much it for today. So the sun's shining today. Hopefully it carries through the weekend. And we'll be back tomorrow with one more outfit. You ready, Wyatt? Yeah, he's sleeping. And Zena's nowhere to be seen. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Saturday. Woohoo, right? And I think I'm squinting at you because the sun is just starting to come up. What do you think, Wyatt? You ready for the weekend? I'm so ready for the weekend. All right, so for today's outfit, I have on my super fun loft palm tree dress. Love this dress. So happy to finally get a chance to wear it on such a beautiful day. And I have on my palm earrings to go with it. I have on my gold shoes from Camuto that came in my trunk club, so I'm doing all gold accents with it. You like those, Wyatt? I have on a bracelet from Swarovski, and I think that's it because I didn't have to wear a necklace since this is a higher neck, but luckily nowhere near my neck. And that's it. I love this dress. Such a fun dress. It's a little bit longer, has a little tie belt, but super fun. It's going to be a nice day, I think. Probably a little cloudy, but partly sunny, so it'll still be a good one. It's going to be 87. It's already 70. Yes. All right, so that is a wrap on another week of outfits. What did you guys think? Did you like them? Wyatt needs groomed so bad. His hair is so long. It's funny. He's actually going to get groomed next week, finally. We're going to try to do family pictures, so I'm trying to get the entire happy crew all ready for that. So anyway, thanks so much for spending time with me. I so appreciate it. I will list all of my outfits down below for you. If I can put links to the item, I will. Some of them were boxes, so I'll put links to the boxes as well. I would love to hear what your favorites are, so please, please, please comment down below and let me know what you think. So I hope you guys are doing well. Check in with me. Let me know how everything's going. I hope everyone is having a fabulous summer because soon it is going to wrap up. Ugh, can't believe it. It's like going to be Labor Day soon. It went so fast. All right, guys, please, please, please hit that like if you enjoyed this video and want to see more. Would love if you hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe. If you already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Until next time, everybody. Bye.